Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Meistertask task management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Meistertask is a task and project management app designed to help users organize workflows with clean, customizable Kanban-style boards. It allows you to create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, track progress, and automate repetitive actions to save time. The app works across devices and integrates with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, Zapier, and MindMeister for seamless project planning and execution. The app's main feature is its visual task boards, which make it easy to manage personal tasks, team projects, and long-term goals. You can track productivity through checklists, tags, time tracking, file attachments, and notifications. Automations help streamline work by triggering actions when tasks move between stages. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple interface, smooth collaboration features, and how easy it is to keep track of tasks visually. Teams especially like the ability to comment, share files, and automate workflows without needing complex configurations. Mobile and desktop syncing is reliable, which helps users manage work from anywhere. However, there are some drawbacks. Certain advanced features, like custom fields and detailed reporting, require a paid subscription. Some users also find the automations limited compared to more advanced project tools. Additionally, large teams working on complex projects may feel the app lacks depth in analytics and workload management. In summary, the Meistertask app may be worth using if you want a clean, intuitive, and visual task management system that works well for individuals and teams. However, if you need deep reporting, advanced customization, or enterprise-level features, it might not fully meet your requirements. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.